statelessness. Through our strong partnerships, collaborative efforts, and unwavering commitment to this shared cause, we have documented numerous achievements throughout the years. Statelessness remains a significant issue that continues to strip vulnerable and marginalized individuals of their rights. It is our responsibility to maintain our efforts, as doing so sends a powerful message that these individuals belong. We must consistently uphold our values of compassion and solidarity by providing protection to stateless persons and those at risk of becoming stateless, and ensuring that they have access to their fundamental rights and services. Tonight's theme, Unite to End Statelessness, celebrating milestones and working together for a future where no one is left behind, provides an opportunity for us to showcase key accomplishments of the Philippine government in line with the National Action Plan to End Statelessness, the I Belong campaign to end statelessness, and its high-level segment and Global Refugee Forum pledges. Moreover, it also highlights the contributions of civil society organizations and people with lived experience on statelessness, paving the way to a whole-of-society approach in addressing the issue. While these successes have been instrumental in providing a supportive and protective environment for our stateless individuals and at-risk populations, there is undoubtedly still room for further growth and enhancement in our mechanisms. It also serves as a moment to reflect on the challenges we face and still face, and the steps we must take to continue our work towards ending statelessness. We are here tonight not only to highlight the progress we have made, but also to recommit ourselves to the shared commitment to ensuring that no one is left behind. We look forward to a future where every individual has a nationality and their rights and dignity are protected. Once again, I welcome you all to this important event and thank you all for being here and for your continued support and commitment. Magandang gabi.
Mabuhay! Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay.
Indeed, we echo your message of continued collaboration towards ending statelessness. And now to formally open tonight's program, it is my honor to introduce Attorney Maria Ermina Valdeavilla Gallardo, Head of National Office of UNHCR Philippines, who will give us her opening remarks. A round of applause, please.
Mabuhay ka, ma'am. Aba, teka, hindi natin siya makikita.
To all our distinguished guests,
Wala bang?
Honorable Senator Robin Padilla,
Yes, ma'am. Apo.
our esteemed colleagues from the Philippine government, our resource partners from the Embassy of Japan, represented by First Secretary and Consul Korihara Shino, our friends from the UN agencies, members from the CSOs, partners, and most importantly, the people that we work for and with. Tonight, as we gather under one roof, we are not merely celebrating an event, but commemorating a journey and a decade-long testament to what collaboration, resilience, and a shared vision can achieve. There are at least 4.4 million people who are stateless worldwide. Statelessness renders a person invisible, not by choice, but for reasons outside of their control. But states have the power to remove stateless people from the shackles of having or lacking citizenship. 10 years ago, the world came together to launch the Global Action to End Statelessness. It was an ambitious call, a challenge to ensure that no one is left without a nationality, that no one is invisible in the eyes of the law. And and the Philippines through the leadership of the Department of Justice and of course other government agencies answer the call with the courage of having their own national action plan to end statelessness. And from humble beginnings, I still can recall UNHCR together with the government of the Philippines and members of the civil society crafted the National Action Plan to end statelessness until 2024. It's an endeavor that sought to give names to the nameless, identities to the invisible, and dignity to those who are somehow forgotten. The progress that we honor tonight, built on the tireless efforts of many, will be witnessed by all of you this evening. And to the government agencies across the executive, the legislative, and judicial branches, I would just have to say that your dedication has translated policies into protection and into action. To our civil society partners, and of course our international allies, your unwavering commitment has amplified the voices of those who have been unheard and those who have been unseen. And to the individuals and families here tonight, representing po our foundlings, our persons of Indonesian descent, persons of Japanese descent, the unregistered children in the context of displacement due to armed conflict, who have traveled po as far as Batangas, Laguna, Lanao del Sur, and beyond. Malakpakan mo natin sila. Sila po yung mga nakaupo dito sa unang table. You are the heart of the work that this network has been doing. You are not merely passive beneficiaries, kayo po ay collaborators in this journey. Take for instance the story of a foundling who after years of navigating uncertainty now has a chance to obtain birth certificate through the Foundling Recognition and Protection Law. This is a legislation that carries the weight of belonging and of being seen. Another narrative po is that of a person of Japanese descent who has been adopted by a Filipino family, does not have a birth certificate, and is currently being assisted by one of the NGOs, PNLSC, to prove his legal identity. And lastly, joining us tonight is an unregistered child from Masio, Lanao del Sur, whose legal identity is about to be formalized through the generous support of the Japanese government and the people of Japan in the birth registration initiative that we are currently rolling out in the Bangsamoro region. These stories remind us that behind every statistic is a human soul, yearning for recognition, yearning for inclusion. Tonight, as we celebrate, we also allow ourselves to reflect. We have resolved cases of statelessness. We have empowered together communities and brought the Philippines to the forefront of this global movement. But the reality is that the road ahead of us calls us to even a greater resolve. We now stand at the threshold of a new chapter. The National Action Plan to end statelessness has been our roadmap, guiding us up to this point. And now, we must transform this plan into enduring systems and solutions. With our commitment to the Global Alliance to End Statelessness, we pledge strategic protection. And I call your attention to addressing the emerging challenges that we are observing, such as the plight of abandoned children, of migrant workers in the Philippines. We are seeing that trend. The gap in the framework with respect to adoption by Filipino parents of foreign children abroad. And there are also state-identified populations who continue to be at risk of statelessness. I challenge you to look at these emerging populations and ensure that no one is left behind. as we look to the future, let us remember, this work is not about documents. It's not just about birth certificates. It's not just about legislation alone. It is about restoring humanity, ensuring that every child, every person, every woman has the chance to say, ako ay Pilipino. Ako ay kabilang. Ako ay may pagkakakilanlan. To every partner, to every advocate and ally who has walked this journey with us, kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Your dedication has not only changed policies, but has transformed real lives. Tonight, let's allow ourselves to celebrate what we have achieved collectively, but more importantly, this is our chance to recommit ourselves to the road ahead. Together, we can ensure that the light of belonging reaches every nook and cranny of our nation. Let us envision a future where no child grows up in the shadows of statelessness, where every individual is recognized, protected, and empowered. In closing, let us continue to act, to innovate, to collaborate so that when history looks back on this moment, it sees not just the eradication of statelessness, but the beginning of a more inclusive and compassionate society. This is our collective mission. This is our shared legacy. And together, we shall build a world where everyone shall truly belong. Magandang gabi.
Mabuhay ka. Mabuhay ka, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ia.